Are you looking for the best digital cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best digital cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon PowerShot SX530 Digital Camera. The Canon PowerShot SX530 is a super versatile digital camera with strong image quality and a powerful zoom lens. We think it is among the best cameras you can buy. If you're looking to capture images from a distance without sacrificing quality, you'll definitely need to consider the PowerShot SX530. The PowerShot SX530 from Canon offers tremendous versatility thanks to its 50x optical zoom lens and its overall snappy performance. Image quality here is much better than what you find in a typical large zoom, fixed lens camera, which means you'll have no problem making large prints from this PowerShot. Because the SX530 has a large number of features that outperform the majority of large zoom lens cameras, this unit is one of the best on the market, especially when you use it as a travel camera or for blogging applications. It would have been nice if Canon had found a way to include a viewfinder with this model, but it's still a very strong camera. Unfortunately, the SX530 can struggle to focus quickly when fully zoomed in, which is the only gripe we had about such a large zoom lens. The good thing is that this small downside is by no means a make or break feature that you'll need to worry about too much. You also get full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, a feature we were surprised to see here. We were pleased with both the image and video quality we were able to capture with the PowerShot SX530, which is why this super zoom camera made our top pick. Number 2. Sony DSCW800 Digital Camera. The Sony DSCW800/B is a very fast point and shoot camera that offers amazing image quality in a thin, compact package. The low price point also doesn't hurt. With a powerful Super HD CCD image sensor, you're going to be hard-pressed to find a compact point-and-shoot camera with better image quality than the Sony DSCW800/B. The sensor offers an impressive 20.1 MP in its ultra-compact frame, and the size of the CCD sensor allows the Sony to outperform the other compact cameras we tested. The Sony DSCW800/B unfortunately doesn't offer much in the ways of optical zoom with only a 5x lens, but you do get several other features that are worth noting. Specifically, you get Sony's SteadyShot image stabilization, which keeps your pictures crisp and clear, along with a 360-degree sweep panorama option for a more unique picture. The LCD display here is another really strong feature, with a diagonal 2.7 inches of colorful display that allows you to view your pictures whenever you'd like. The Sony DSCW800/B is a great point-and-shoot camera that won't leave you disappointed. For great deals, read about the best digital camera under $200. Number 3. Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 Digital Camera. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 is the most compact camera on our list, measuring in at only 0.87 inches thick. Fortunately, this compact digital camera is packed full of features, so you're not missing out just because of the small size. If you're looking for a digital camera that won't get in the way of the rest of your things, look no further than the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180. It's the perfect point-and-shoot camera to take on trips or while you're on the go. The ELPH 180 offers you a ton of useful features in its tiny, 0.87-inch frame. For starters, this 20MP digital camera uses a CCD sensor and additional image stabilization features that help you take the best pictures possible. Of course, considering the price and size of this digital camera, you won't be able to achieve similar image quality as premium digital cameras, especially in dim lighting. However, we were overall very pleased with the images we were able to capture with the ELPH during our testing. The camera also features an 8x optical zoom and impressively large display, 5 inches, which makes this one of the best cameras for beginners. You don't get full HD video camera capabilities, but considering everything else you get with the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180, we just couldn't pass it by. If you need something more rugged, check out the best waterproof camera.